Okay guys, today we are starting the revisions of chapter number 2. You may see on the study mill while keeping revisions. Keep the study mill beside you in the desk, okay? The chapter number 2, polynomial and factorization. What are the objective of the chapter that you have studied already in the chapter? When the word polynomial, when listen, right? This typical situation just arises here. Polynomial means a plus b and it's a square plus twice ab plus b square. If I will take here minus, this minus will be here this, and a square minus b square, it's look like a plus b and a minus b. It's a pattern here, and a plus b whole cube also we have discussed already in the chapter, okay? We are taking the revision of that, and here a minus b, is that clear or not? And here a cube plus b cube, and it's a cube minus b cube, is that clear? It's a cube. This is the expansion of the highest power of the first term to the highest power of the second term. Is that clear? First term cube minus or plus 3a square b, once it will come negative. So due to this minus, this term will be negative, and plus 3a b square plus minus of b whole square. Will remember please. Where the b is occurring twice time or even time, the term will be positive. Clear? Tell of this, if it is positive, so it shall come, it is positive. Is that clear? Plus or minus here will be. Is that clear? If this is plus b, oh sorry, minus, then the once time b is occurring, एक बार यहाँ पर b आ रहा है, 3 times 2 times b is coming here, this term will be positive, and 3 times b is occurring, this term will be negative. Right now? And this expressions are here a plus b, and here a square, it's a square minus of ab plus b square. You may see that a plus b is a square minus ab. Here is plus, here is minus. And how does this come? This we have derived from the given identity, a square plus a of b and plus b square also there. Okay, these identity we have studied in the chapter. Another identity also we have studied. This is called identity of the chapter. Can you tell me what is the identity of the chapter? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus of 3abc, right or not, is equal to a plus b plus c, and here will a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. This identity we had studied in the chapter. Is that clear? What is the trick of using identity? The identity can be used to observe the pattern. If the pattern is looking like that, means that left right side pattern is appearing in the question. इस तरह का pattern question में दिख रहा है. So in the place of that you can write this. Is that clear or not? If this typical pattern is there appearing, then you can write this. Another case also we have discussed. If a, sorry, this is that here. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, मतलब 3 cube sum, 3 quantity के cube sum के लिए आप इस identity का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. You can use that. But if their sum is coming 0, then whole right side will become 0. If whole right side will become 0, then what does this mean? Then this expression can be written here like that, minus of 3abc is equal to 0, and here a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Is that clear or not? It's a cube b cube c cube is equal to 3abc. Right or not? Well, clear or not? ये बात सबको समझ में आ गई? ठीक है. There is a information before a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, is that a minus a square minus b square, a plus b whole cube minus. These identity you have to use. Now trick. As you are taking the revision of the chapter, then where should you have to start? You have to make a quick revision of the each questions from the sections exercise textbook, right now. And the questions very easy sum. You have to just observe, simply make a reading of them. Whether you can solve, estimate करिए कि आप उसे solve कर पाएंगे. And at least alternatively questions you have to attempt from the last section of the exercise. ये trick है. And if you are the average, above average student, then you have to precede the questions from the examination section from the study middle of Senko. Right now, उस स्टेज में जितने questions हैं previous examination section में, उनको attend कर लीजिए. At least 15 to 20 questions you have to attempt. That will help you to improve your unit assessment. Is that clear now? So I'm just telling the questionnaires from that. So what the topic that you already have discussed in the chapter? First you have discussed the meaning of polynomial. So do you know what is meaning of polynomial? This typical expression looks like a polynomial. A naught, here is what? X to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus again a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus dot 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 furthermore. Means the decreasing power of the variable. This is called polynomial in x. This is called polynomial in x. Is that clear now? Well clear? So what the next? Degree of polynomial also we have discussed. What do you understand by degree of polynomial? Everybody know degree of polynomial? Now next is coefficients also we have discussed. What is the coefficient? I think everybody know the coefficient. The number aside is said to be a coefficient. Means non-variable term. Non-variable term. It's a variable, it's variable. This is 3. This is called coefficient. We also have discussed monomial, types of polynomial we have discussed. Right now? So we just have to start the previous section from this. Is that clear guys? Keep open the study middle and we are just discussing here. The first question, NCERT text question first, okay? Find the degree of polynomial. Can you know the degree of this polynomial? Yes, we can. Right now? Now second, so these are very easy typical questions here. I am just talking about the NCERT example. Where are the NCERT example? Page number, yeah, you may see that. Page number, yes. NCERT practice, page number 5, you may see that here. This difficult question, however they may be difficult here, but it's a write whether following statement true or false. Obviously true and false will not come in your examinations, okay, right now. So please, the pattern is different than your pattern examination. So I will suggest you not to see or read the questions, as you are just going to prepare for the test assessment just tomorrow or day after tomorrow, okay. So go through the questions. Where is this? Which of the following, yes, question number 2 you will see. Which of the following expressions are polynomial? The expression written before you are the polynomial or not? So you have to use the information of that here. Whether 8 is a polynomial, its answer yes, it is a polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial? It's a 0 here, right now. It is a constant polynomial, right? Now come on please. Second question, under root 3x square. Under root 3x square minus what next is? 2x is also there. Is this a polynomial here? No, this is the polynomial. Yeah, it is polynomial, sir. The student can be confused. Watch. By watching this under root 3. It's a coefficient. Under root variable should not come. If under root any variables of the polynomial is coming, then this is not a polynomial. Under root variable नहीं आना चाहिए. Constant can come. Clear? So ऐसा अगर variety देखेंगे, so we will have to 2 or 3 hours will revise the chapter, and we have only 40 to 30 minutes to revise it. So what you will do here? Please carry on the text. So we are just discussing the questions from that. Question number 4 you may see that here. So first, degree of polynomial, types of polynomial, okay, and the coefficient of polynomial. I am not telling you this, okay. I am starting from the zeros of polynomial. Is that clear? So what is the zeros of polynomial? The question from zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Do you know that definition? Zeros of polynomial. A real number substituting in place of x give you 0, then a is said to be zeros of polynomial. Is that clear not? Please go on writing this. Check whether px is a multiple of gx or not. Is that clear not? So p of x is, what is p of x? Tell me px of x is x cube minus x plus 1. This is the polynomial of x. And what is gx?
2 minus 3.
It's a 2 minus 3x. You see guys here, what the questioner is saying here. The questioner is saying that here the polynomial px is there, x cube minus x plus 1, and later gx is the polynomial 2x minus 3. Well clear, right? So as we are checking the revision, that we will solve certain 8 to 10 questions based on that factorizations and zeros of polynomial right now, so that it will give you the complete potential of the chapter right now. So here the polynomial you have given, and you have been given what? Gx minus 2x. And the what questioner is asking? You can identify whether the second is the factor of first or not. What is it saying here? Px is a multiple of this one. Obviously, this is a multiple of this, or this is a factor of this. So multiple, what is the method to get here? So इसके लिए, I think here I suggest you to get here. G of x is to be taken as a 0. G of x is to be taken as a 0. What is G of x? G of x, I think this is that here. 2 of minus 3x is equal to 0. So what is the value of x? Please tell me. The value of x is, I think, so 3x minus of 2, transfer to the right side, minus minus cancel, so x is equal to 2 by 3. You just know this. आपको theorem याद करना पड़ेगा. Just remember the theorem that we have studied in the chapter. If x plus a, wait a minute please, yeah, x plus a is a factor of px, right now, such that p of minus a is equal to 0. Is that clear now? अगर ये इसका फैक्टर है कब, जबकि p of minus is 0 होगा. तो same thing is that this is a factor of this or this is a multiple of this. The same thing it is. So what you have to check here? You need to check here what 2 minus 3 is a factor of this or not, or this is a multiple of this or not. Same thing it is. Clear? So what you will do? In place of x you will put here 2 by 3. This is a real number. Therefore p of 2 by 3. You have to find out p of 2 by 3. What is the method of finding p of 2 by 3?
2 by 3 cube.
Exactly, you are finding the value of polynomial also. Here you will go to, no, it's a
Cube.
3 minus, what next is? 2 by 3 also and plus 1. Please go on solving this. It's 8 by 27 minus 2 by 3 plus 1. And go on solving through this. Right now, if you will obtain here, what their LCM will come here? Obviously the LCM will be 27. It's a 8 minus, what next is? 9 2s are 18 plus, how much is that? It's a 27. Clear? What is their sum, please tell me? It's a 35 minus 18 divided by 27. Clear? 35 minus 18, how much is that? 17 divided by 27. Is it cancelled further? Be cancelled further? No, not. So what we can speak here? 2 by 3 is not giving you 0. So therefore this is not a multiple of that. अगर वो 0 आ जाता तो multiple होता, otherwise not. You will see that here. The sum taken together here, right now, and the difference is what here? 3. So 9 2s are 18 is coming here. This. Okay, 3 9 27 is there. There is this. So one question well understood here, right? Now, they see the next question is what saying? Check whether gx is a factor of the same question it is. We have to check whether question is of same type. Clear? But the statement of question is different. वो कहता है कि चेक करिए कि इसका फैक्टर है कि नहीं. उसी क्वेश्चन को can be given by the above type. What the above type? Check whether this is a multiple of this or not. So fx px is a multiple of gx, yeah, gx is a factor of px. It is the same thing. I hope can you solve this question out? So अब ये pattern सीख गया that you can solve the questionnaires. Right now you just have to assess yourself. Is that clear? Please take a minute on 20 seconds only and to solve the question of the same type. Please go on solving the optional of that here. Please go. Just give it please. Go through the question they say. Px. So in place of x, what do you have to put? जल्दी करिए please, optional of that.
Question 4.
Question number 4 or of the 4. And you have not given the test yesterday, the last Sunday.
Was given.
You have given, you know. And you also,
Thank you.
she has not given test on Sunday last day. Every Sunday try to give the test. Even you will try to. How many chapters coming? Is that okay? Please carry on this. I forgot the class is continuing. Minute, please. accepted? Now, variety second. The question number 5, you may see that. What the question number 5 is saying here? Find the value of a if x minus a is a factor of this. Okay? The technique of writing solution. First, you have note down the polynomial. Since the given polynomial is what, please tell me? The given polynomial px is what? The given polynomial, please tell me?
X cube
It's x cube
minus ax square
minus ax square
plus 2x
plus 2x
plus a minus 1.
plus a minus 1. Is that clear? Right? So go on solving this. X cube minus ax square plus 2x plus a minus 1. Clear? We have to find out later this next. Since x minus a is a what, please tell me? X minus 1 is a factor. Is a factor of p of x. This is a factor of px. What does it mean? What do you mean factor? We have to prove. No, we have to find out. We not have to prove here. हमें find करने के लिए. Is given declared that x minus a is a factor. Therefore, p of a will give you what here? 0. It's a factor theorem. ये factor theorem अगर x minus a इसका factor है, तो in place of x what you will put? Plus a. अगर if here is plus a, so in place of x what you will put? Minus a. Is that clear or not? So p of a, what is that here? 0. So put the value in place of that. A to the power 3. Next here. A here also square. Next plus 2 into a, and next plus here a minus 1 is equal to 0. So what shall we do? A cube plus twice a, no, only a here, and it's a minus 1 is equal to 0. So plus a cube minus a cube what? Cancels. It's twice a plus 1a. 2 times a, 1 time a. How much is this here? 3 times a it shall be. Okay? And minus 1 is equal to 0. What we have to find out here, please tell me? We have to find a is equal to, this is to be transferred here, right? It shall come here. It's your answer. The a is coming 1 by 3. Means a की value 1 by 3 के लिए. For a is equal to 1 by 3, it will be the factor of that. It's simple to here. The trick is to read the question very carefully. What exactly the question is saying. Question exactly क्या कह रहा है वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. Is that clear? Please go through it and observe it for 10 seconds. What actually we have done and what the statement of the question and how I have solved this. Okay, so that it will give you the right way for solving question. Please go. Observe this for the 10 seconds. But I have done this here. Now look, the question variety 6. What is the variety of the question 6? Solution number 6. You may see that here. Variety 6.
This you have given in one.
Without actually calculating the cube. Without actually calculating cube. Understand what we have to use here, okay? Without actually calculating. So 48 cube minus what? 30 cube minus what next is? 18. We have to find out this answer. You think that what pattern we have observed here? कौन सा pattern इन्हें बताइए? वो last में लिखा है ये pattern है देखिए. Without actually means we have to find out the cube of 3 quantity. अब आप बोलेंगे sir this is the expression for sum of cube of 3 quantities together is equal to 3abc. You will speak here but sum कहाँ है sir? यहाँ तो difference है. Minus is nothing else in mathematics but simply it is opposite to that. I am telling you this. We just write here a plus b. If I will add minus of b. So we'll write down here a minus b. Right or not? It is actually addition. We can speak it is the sum of a and minus of a. So similarly this expression is it is also sum. So sum means what? Minus b to the power cube. Does the minus of x here? No. Minus of b cube. Means this minus of b cube can be written as a minus of b. Right now? So this expression can be modified 48 whole cube plus of minus 30 whole cube plus minus of 18 whole cube. Is that clear or not?
Yes.
You have to find out this. So which formula pattern you will use here to solve? This formula pattern will use here. A cube, B cube, C cube is equal to 3ABC. Right or not? Well clear? सो सबसे पहले आप चेक करेंगे दिस यू कैन यूज हियर, दिस फॉर्मूला यू विल यूज हियर, तब यूज कर सकते हैं आप ये फॉर्मूला व्हेन यू विल टेस्ट वेदर देयर सम इज 0 और नॉट. सो सबसे पहले क्या टेस्ट करेंगे a plus b plus c 0 coming or not. So let this is what here, it's a, this is what here b, and this here what here c. Just to find a plus b plus c. To find, start solving this. Since a plus b plus c, what is it?
48.
48 plus
Minus 30.
minus 30 plus
Minus 18.
minus 18.
48 minus 30 minus 18.
How much is it? 0 coming. Is 0 coming here? If this is coming 0, therefore a plus b plus a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to
3.
girls solve this please. Then what will you have? It's a 3a b. So what will you have? This is the formula here, okay? So what the formula is? 48
48
cube plus minus of
30 cube
30 cube
plus
plus
minus 18 cube
18 cube is equal to what here?
is equal to
3 times a 48
48
and
minus
30
and
and
minus
here what
18.
18. Can you
Minus
multiply
18
right now?
minus 18
Minus 18, sorry. So minus minus plus.
Plus.
As a multiplication they came here. अब multiply कर दीजिए. What how do you multiply here? 8 3s are what here? 18 3s are 54. 18 3s are 54. It's a 54 into 48. Okay, 48. I think this is 200. 3 8s are 24. 3 4s are 12. 14 and 0 is also there. Minus minus plus. Now multiply this. Whatever the way you just to multiply here. But I told you the method of solving questions. What trick for multiplication? कैसे multiply कर सकते हैं? 54 0 to है 54 0 it is 54 4 टाइम टेबल पढ़ना है. 5 4s are what here 20. So 200, 1 0 left here, 200, 4 4s are 16, 200, 16, carry what here, 21, 5 4s are same, 216, 236, 237. मतलब ये टिक लगा रहा हूँ, मतलब देखिए 216 I am speaking. मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है कि 1 is on the 10th place, 2 is on the 100th place. The trick you will take a long time to learn, okay? Is that clear now? So what? 14, now carry this here. 5 4s are here, right? 5 4s are 54 are 216. So what coming here is please check again 216. So 216 plus this is 36 and 37. What's next carry here? 230 and 54 one is 54. 54 74 and 77. Your answer is 77760 7760 okay 60 7760 7760. Is that clear or not? Well clear or not? So multiplication well clear or not? Tell please guys.
yes
Have a look at the next question also. Question is next saying here without actual gift. Same pattern question is there. Okay. You just observe what you have to do with the alternative.
solve करने
Solve करना it means what? You just can make x minus 1 can be one value a. The variety has been changed here in the second question. X minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus next is what here? Z minus x whole cube is also there. Clear now? So you can suppose this is a, this is a b, this is a c. Don't be confused over the x, y, z. जरूरी थोड़ी कि x cube, y cube, z cube ही होगा. Pattern देखिए a cube, b cube, c cube pattern. Cube sum of 3 quantities are there. Clear? So it's a cube, b cube and c cube. Pattern. So a plus b plus c. First it will be tested here. Will come 0? Yes sir. This minus this. Here it is plus occurring.
Yeah.
Will cancel. Here negative occurring, positivity cancel, negative so 0. Obviously it will 0 come here. Then therefore this formula is to be launched here. Okay. So here 3 into x minus y, y minus z, z minus z. Understand? Right or not? Now please look at the question number 7 of the same here. What does 7 question say? It's a variety of the questions here. Okay. If you will attempt the previous year examination section of Cycle study material right now, or the NCERT exemplar portion of this year, then you will be perfect in that year. If a student is of average level or below, then you have to appreciate the last exercise, second last exercise, second, third, fourth last exercise of the chapter. Okay. But if the student is average above, then have to precede the previous section. Okay, it will give the fulfillment of the preparation. 7. Classify the following as a polynomial, one variable and two variable. I hope you can solve this question. One variable and two variable. First is one variable, second is one variable, third is two variable, fourth is two variable. That's clear here, right now? And do you know here also the coefficient? Yeah, coefficient also. Now look the question next here. Determine the degree of each. Can you find the degree of each? First degree is
Linear.
1. Linear. 1 degree.
1 degree.
The degree with 1, the polynomial is said to be linear. The degree with 2, the degree 2, the polynomial is called quadratic. Next, constant polynomial. Third is what? Cubic polynomial. No.
No.
Polynomial with degree 5.
Quadratic. No.
What is the coefficient? Yeah, fourth. What is the degree of this? इसमें स्टूडेंट कैसे उसका पावर देख लिया और बता दिया. It's y cube 1 minus y square. Maximum power देख लिया बता दिया. Yes sir, it is the polynomial of degree 3. No, it is not the standard format of polynomial. सारे टर्म्स क्या में होते हैं? As a plus. और here is coming as a multiplication. So you have to bring first the polynomial in the standard form. Multiply this y cube, multiply with this. Power is what here? Added. Now this is standard polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial?
Y quadratic.
5.
5.
The degree of polynomial is 5. Well clear or not? Everybody understood or not? What is the method to write down this as? Okay. Now have a look the question next. Write for this here. So at least one question you just have to solve here. And many times I gave this question as. Okay. I'm writing this on the board. So I think it's what? X square plus what next is?
2x plus
2x
1
plus 1
upon 5
upon 5
minus
minus
7 upon 2
7 upon 2.
whole x cube.
X cube is there
Oh,
also.
sorry, x square
X square minus
minus x.
to the power 6. This is a polynomial written before you. Okay. What you have to tell? You have to speak the degree. Please go on writing what you have to tell. Degree you have to tell right now. And you have to tell coefficient of x cube. Means one question will give the complete essence of the chapter. Okay. Please think and think about the answer. What do you have to write?
Coefficient of x cube.
Do not speak please.
Sir, there x cube is not written.
You have to just write the answer within 20 seconds of all the questions that I gave you. See on the understandability, we have been solving the question number from exam NCERT practice section. A lot of questions are there. Now, our answer.
Yes, sir.
Our answer? Yes. So it's what coming here? We can simplify this. So what is the simplification more needed here? Simplification needed here, the 5 is the denominator of all term. These are the term however written as x. सारे term ऐसे plus लिखे होना चाहिए. This is the standard polynomial. A0, xn, a1 and x minus 1, a2 x to the power n minus 2, dot dot dot. Clear? So here is to write what? 1 by 5 x to the power 2, 2 by 5 x plus 1 by 5, right now 7 by 2. Now it is written in the standard form, right now. Now tell, answer the question. What the first question is? Degree bata hai. You have to tell degree. What is this degree? 6.
6.
Its degree is 6. Second,
Coefficient of x
x cube or square?
cube.
Cube.
It's missed.
Wait a minute, please. I think it's a cube. It's the 3 power. You may see the question as 3 power, 4 power it is. Yeah, it's a 3 power, I think.
Yeah.
It's a 3 power, right now. So what is it saying here?
1 by
Actually?
5.
Yeah.
Coefficient of x cube 1 by
Yes, coefficient of x cube. So what is the coefficient of x cube? Please tell
1
me.
by 5.
The coefficient of x cube is 1 by 5. Clear or not? Next question is this. Coefficient of x to the power 5.
Minus
Is there any?
No.
X to the power 5 is saying or not? 6.
X to the power 6.
6. What is minus 1? Clear? Now later the constant term. 1 by
1 by
5.
5.
The without. Right now, I think the degree, coefficients, everything else you understood about it. One question give the complete essence of that what you have learned. Right now, so go through this study.
Write the
Coefficient of x. So can you write this question? So I am leaving this question. Okay.
Yes.
Question number 11. Classify the polynomials.
Constant.
I am leaving this again. Okay. Question number 12. You may say give example of polynomial which is monomial of degree 1.
One.
Monomial of degree 1. So only x.
X. Yeah.
Answer. It's a monomial of degree 1. Only one term. On the basis of term, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and on the basis of degree, it's called linear, quadratic, and biquadratic furthermore. Second, binomial of degree 2. Binomial means two terms you have to write. It can be first polynomial, second polynomial, two terms means 2 to the
30
power
plus
20
x 20.
and plus 3 we can write here. Two terms are here. The degree is what here? 20. Trinomial, 3 terms you have to take. And what the degree to be there?
2.
2. Can you write this? Question number 13. Find a value of the polynomial this when x is equal to 3 and when x is. You have to find out value of polynomial. So in place of x, what do you have to put? Plus 3 and minus 3. I hope you can solve.
Yes.
Question number 14 also. Evaluate. Same you can do here, and many times we have done in examination. Now question number next. Same variety, the same here question here. Okay. Well clear not? And now later true and false typical questions are here. And here further to be there is. You may see that.
You see a question paper is very
Yeah. The main important topic of this chapter is the remainder theorem and
Remainder.
factor theorem. So do you know what is remainder theorem? Well clear your remainder theorem. If you divide any polynomial by x plus a, and each important theorem is written on the cover page of a study material. Okay. So whenever you are preparing for the test assessment, go through along the study material, open the section of previous year or NCERT exemplar or practices, and attempt the question from this section. Okay. And please read the cover page. The important topic is given in that here. Clear? Right or not? So go through the question number 20. By remainder theorem, find the remainder. It's very simple here. Look please, what is the polynomial here?
X cube minus 2x square minus 4x minus 1.
It's x cube minus polynomial is what?
2x square. X cube minus 2x square
X cube minus 2x square
minus 4x minus 1.
minus. This is a polynomial, okay? And factor theorem is divided by gx is what?
X plus 1.
So in place of x, what you have to put? Minus 1.
Minus.
So therefore, by remainder theorem,
Minus 1 cube.
P of minus 1 we have to find out. P of minus 1 is a remainder. By remainder theorem,
Minus 1 cube. Minus.
remainder is equal to P of minus 1. Can you go through this sense?
Yes.
What is their sum? What is coming here? Listen, this is the method of solving remainder theorem, okay? Using remainder theorem. Well, clear or not? Furthermore also can be there here. Later, check the variety of next question. Now I just want to ask you, is there any doubt in this chapter here? I think means a lot of times you have studied this year in the revision I am just giving you. You will get the doubt when you will start solving question. Is that clear? Only the 2-3 topics are there lying in the chapter. First is the remainder theorem and second is the factor theorem. If you are perfect in the question solving by factor theorem, middle term splitting, and the cubic polynomial by the hidden trial method.
Middle term splitting method.
Okay, I am telling the middle term splitting. Select any question of them from. Right now, select a question from here. Middle term. Any quadratic is to be selected here. Okay, select any quadratic equation. Yeah, 9x square.
Minus 9x square.
Any question you can give me, please. Give a question.
Question number 2.
Question number 2. What the question second here?
25x cube x square.
X square.
Yeah.
Where is that? 25x square.
Question number 33. Question number 33.
33. This is not a given. Factorization, this is not by middle term splitting. It is the formula method. Easily can solve. Middle term splitting you want to know.
9x square
9x square
minus 12
minus
12x plus 4.
12x plus 4. You may see that. Okay. What is the trick for factorizing middle term? First term and last terms to be thought here. Okay. So it's together giving 36 whatever, but it can be split in 3 3 and 2 2. Out of these 4, you have to make 2 such middle term. In चारों का इस्तेमाल करके, you have to make 2 terms such that their sum or difference must be 12. So how can we do here? 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. 9 plus 4 13 is not coming here. 9 minus 4 5 is not coming here. Then now change the way. 3 3s are 9. Sorry, 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 3 is not coming here this again. Okay. Now change the thinking process. 2 3s are what here? 6 and 2 3s are 6. What is their difference? 0. Their sum is there 12. Yes, we got the arrangement. Okay. Your main task is so 9 times x square minus 6 plus 6 you will write and it's a 4 here. Open the middle term or where we reaching toward this here? किस step पे पहुँचे बंदा हो? कौन सा step है? 6 का steps. 2 negatives and 2 positives means we are going right. What is common in them? Please tell me. The common is here. 3 common them and x is common. What's left here? It's a 3x minus here left what? 2. And what is common in them? Please tell me. 2 common. Here 3x and minus 2. So this step, it has the 3 3 इसके पास numbers हैं. So it also has 3 and 2. So 1 3 common. And it's x square means 2 x के पास 2 x are there. और यहाँ single x, तो single x is common. So from here 9 से 3 ले लिया आपने, so 3 left. और x square से x ले लिया तो only single x left here. Right now? And 6x. From 6 you took here 3. So 2 left here and x is already common, so nothing is there. So 3x minus 2. Right? And what is common in them? 2 common. So 3x left here and minus 2. Why? It is plus here. Or you took minus common. So plus is made up of 2 minus into minus. So 1 minus you have taken common. So 1 minus is there. What is throughout common? What's throughout common? Please tell me. 3x minus 2. What's left inside the bracket? 3x
minus 2.
3x minus 2. It's a factors. This is the middle term splitting method. You can also solve the other method also. Right now, the other method pattern, it can be written as a what? 3x whole square. And it can be written as a what here? 2 whole square. What pattern you are observing? Please tell me. A square and B square. Here must 2a and b. So the pattern A square plus 2ab plus b ka whole square. So 3 and here but be minus. So it should be minus. It can be taken as a minus. So 3x minus 2 and whole square. So 2 times to be taken here. It is the identical method. Identity using here. Is that clear? So this typical question practice for all along 8 to 10 question. If there is doubt, please write me on that. Is that clear? Means the test assessment cannot easily done within 1 day only. Right now, it's a practice of previous learning. Is that clear, guys? Right now, so we'll do the questionnaires from the question number 22, from the question number 22, 23rd, 26, 27 randomly. So truly assignment I am giving you from the question number 21 to 23. Let you show me the work right now, and for your practice of the assessment, you will solve the question up to 30 and 32, leaving 1 1 to 2 plus. The question which are easy, leave them, and the question which is quite difficult appearing, do solve this. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.